despite Hurricane Laura making landfall, or maybe because of it on the Gulf Coast as a Cat 4 storm and forcing a halt to 84% of oil production offshore. Joining us now is Jeff Kilberg of KKM Financial. I guess, Jeff, the idea here is that you're going to see demand fall faster than production.
I think that's the initial reaction, Sully. Let me lay out the trade first before I give you three compelling reasons why I want to be a buyer of crude oil. But I want to be a buyer here in the October contract, Sully, $42.75. I have a target going up to $45, but I'm being mindful because I'm risking $1,250 to make $2,250, but I'm putting that stop just $1.25 lower at $41.50. But let me talk about the three reasons why I see crude oil is going higher, keeping the trajectory to $45. Certainly it's the U.S. dollar, that weakness. Despite the fact that it's back above 93, the U.S. dollar is weak, attracting assets to commodities. Secondly, we're seeing the technicals intact. And lastly, you hit the nail on the head. The production cut. We talk so much about demand. We have to talk about supply at some point. So I think in the wake of Hurricane Laura, is there going to be more damage to some of the platforms down there? Potentially, but also OPEC Plus. Don't forget OPEC Plus talked about they're going to be more compliant, at least they're going to try to be more compliant about this production curve. So I think for the first time in a long time, Sully, at least since March, we are going to see supply come into the equation, and that's why crude oil is going higher.
Okay, bullish view on crude oil longer term outside of today and the short term stuff there. Jeff Kilberg, always a pleasure, buddy.